Hello, I'm RYUG from a small island in Okinawa. Stay with me for a calm moment. Tonight is simple. Eat in a better order. It can calm blood sugar spikes. Many people blame the food first, but timing and order matter too. The spike often comes after the meal, not during the first bite. So here is the hot rule. Eat fiber first, carbs last. Think of your stomach like a doorway. Order decides how fast sugar rushes in. This is gentle for people over 50. No extreme diets, no heavy workouts. You keep your meals familiar. You only change the sequence. Small change, big impact. Because your body reacts to pace. Tonight, try it with one meal. Just one, and notice the difference. Step 1. Start with vegetables. Anything with fiber is first. Fiber slows the doorway. It softens the sugar rise. No need to measure grams. Just eat the greens first. Start calm, stay calm. That is the point. If you only do one step, make it this one. Vegetables first is quiet power. Now step 2. Step 2. Protein comes next. Tofu, fish, eggs, simple. Protein helps you feel satisfied, so cravings don't chase you. Satisfaction is medicine because it prevents overeating. You don't fight willpower. You do design it. Keep it gentle and repeatable. That's how elders win. Now the final step. Carbs come last. Step 3. Eat carbs at the end, not the beginning. When carbs come last, the rise is slower, and the drop feels kinder. This helps energy feel steadier, less sleepy after eating. You are not removing carbs. You are placing them wisely. Fiber first, protein next, carbs last. That is the Okinawa order. Now make it easy for rainy days. Use any covered pot. If you stay indoors, that's fine. Just keep the order. No perfection is required. Only consistency. Consistency makes the body trust you. That trust becomes health. Tonight, choose one meal and try this order once. Most people do the opposite. Carbs first, then more carbs. That's when spikes feel sharp and crashes feel heavy. So reverse it. Die. And let your body relax. Here is your one meal challenge. Vegetables, then protein, then carbs. Eat slowly and stop before you're stuffed. Keep your body light. Small order, big calm. That is the habit. Try it tonight, just once. Then tell me how you feel. Simple habits build long lives. See you next time.